Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will use the live generator to build a full stack product on top of React and Flask. Once the source code is available and published on GitHub by the system, I will use another open source tool to push the deployment into the render platform. Render platform, it's a Heroku-like system that allows us to deploy fast any type of application, static websites, and dynamic languages projects written in Python, Go, Ruby, or PHP. Okay, so let's go with our demonstration. I will use the service, select from here the bare dashboard, and in this page I will select Flask, but you can also select other backend frameworks as well. Node.js, Django, Fast API will be available soon, but for this demonstration I will choose Flask. In this customization page I will keep the defaults and hit the generate button. So once the request is sent to the backend server, we need to wait a little bit in order to get the source code. The generated product comes into flavors as zip archive, so we can download it right away and use it in our environment, or simply wait for the source code to be uploaded on GitHub for later reference. The source code is released under the MIT license, which means you can use it and incorporate it in commercial project, or simply use the projects for e-learning activities. So there is no limitation regarding the usability. In case anyone have issues, feel free to ask us here the support page, chat with us, send us an email, or simply join the Discord, where we provide one-to-one help to the entire community, and we try to help anyone. Okay, so the process was flagged with success. This is the generated product. The README has all the information. This is the React front end. We have here the compatibility metrics, so the product was previously tested for these versions of Node.js, and for this version will fail the build for using npm or yarn. Flask API is described here, all the basic features, and the following sections explains how to build manually the product. Okay, in this case I will fork the product, and I will say here React Flask API berry. Okay, I will create the fork. Okay, here in settings I will activate the template option, just to offer the possibility for others to fork easily the project. Okay, now we have the source code, we have the deployment platform, we have the automatic deployer. Let's play around a little bit with the options. So the deployer has an entry point called deployer, and in order to use it, you need to provide in the environment the render API key and the render owner ID. This is optional because the tool knows how to take the default owner from your account once the render API key is correctly provided. In order to check your settings, you need to you can do this by calling the deployer with the check argument, and if this flag is okay, the configuration looks good. Okay, in order to deploy the this newly created repository, we need to use the full stack argument and just put here the URL to the repository. Now the deployer knows how to pull the sources, analyze the information. We can see that the tool detects the API type and also the React UI, and push into the render platform to services that are connected to the Flask API and the React UI. Okay, let's go to the render dashboard, and we can see here the services, which is great. So I will open this one. This is the API server that is under compilation, and also the React UI that is under compiling. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit in order to have uh, the product up and running. A thing that the deployer does it in the background is the configuration of the product. So each time for a full stack application, the deployer will push the first step is to push the API, and once he gets the live address, the React UI is configured to use it. So we can check out here. So we have this address, and React UI comes with okay, so we have the same address configured in the React UI environment is the same address of the API server. So basically the products are correlated, so you don't need to do anything else. Just wait for the live deployment, and we should be able to use the product without any efforts. Okay, now the API server looks almost finished. Build successful, deploying, so soon we'll be live. Once the services are live, we should have here a green flag, and we know for sure that the product is up and running. Okay, let's check out the progress of the React UI compilation. In the same way, we can use other React kits. We have here a list. Horizon is built by Simple Agency. It's built on top of Chakra and looks amazing. Berry is the one that we build right now. Dataable, it's super popular. Is not is built on top of React Strap, and the soft dashboard provided by Creative Team uses Material UI for styling, and all are super nice. So in case you don't like Berry, just access the generator React page, and choose another design and generate your own product. Okay, so the Flask server is up and running. We can see that the API provides this default Swagger UI, so we can use it once the React product is live. Okay, so the Randall informs us that also the React UI is up and running. I will open up the application here. So the product is ready to be used. Let's access the the live logs of the Flask API. We can see here that the requests are made, are sent to the API server. Let's create a new user. Test at AppSeed.js. Pass. I will use a super simple password. Okay, if the registration is successful, we are redirected to the to the sign-in page. This time I will put a wrong password, and the system should inform us that the credentials are not good. But if we are using the right password, the system should allow us to authenticate. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. We've just used only free tools. The generator is free, the deployer is free, render is not free because this is free only for static websites. This dynamic services and dynamic applications, I think they have $5 per month or something, so they have a super decent pricing. Check out their offer and take a look at the render deployment platform also. So thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. As I said before, in case anyone have issues with the product, feel free to access the support page and send us an email, or simply ask for help in the Discord. Thanks for watching, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.